Alright, what's going on, guys? Got a new car we're working on, a 2007 Chevy Cobalt. Has some front end issues. Power steering went bad, so I'm gonna hop in and change out the power steering pump. Alright guys, I already did the pump. This is the old one, the new one's in. It's real simple. There's two bolts. They're both 12 millimeter. It's this big one up here, one, and the other one is right there, two. And then you just hit this blue tab. It's the blue one. Pop it out and it just drops right out. You might have a zip tie on yours because that's how mine came, and that's how the new one came. It has a zip tie to hold it in place. So all you got to do is take the grease this up, grease up the O-ring around here, and then you just put everything back. Put the two bolts back, plug it in, put your zip tie, and you're all set. And as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, I am not getting any more power steering code. Check your power steering. So it's all set.